Are you confused about how to prepare current affairs for CSEET? Students keep asking, "Ma'am, questions in the exam don't match with ICSI materials. Then where should we study?" Don't worry. In this video, I will give you complete clarity about CSEET current affairs, its weightage, the common problems students face, and finally, the 3 best sources for your preparation. Part 1. What is CSEET current affairs? Current affairs in CSEET is basically that part of the paper where ICSI checks whether you are aware of what is happening in India and across the globe. It includes recent events, government schemes, corporate updates, economic policies, awards, sports, international developments, and new appointments. The reason is simple. As a future company secretary, you must always stay updated with the outside world because corporate decisions are deeply connected with real-world events. Part 2. Weightage in the exam. Now let's talk about marks. Current affairs comes in paper 4. Current affairs, presentation and communication skills. Out of this, 25 marks are dedicated to current affairs. That means, with proper preparation, you can score full 25 marks here, which can make a big difference in your overall result. Part 3. Difficulties faced by students. But here comes the real problem. Many students complain that the current affairs questions in the exam don't come directly from the official ICSI study material. And yes, that is absolutely true. Why? Because current affairs keeps changing every single month. By the time you sit for the exam, many new events have already taken place. That's why only depending on ICSI booklets is not enough. Part 4. Solution. Best sources for CSEET current affairs prep. Now let's solve this problem. You don't need hundreds of sources. If you follow these 3 trusted sources, your preparation will be more than enough. Source 1. CSEET e-Bulletin. ICSI publishes an e-bulletin every month that highlights important current affairs relevant for your exam. This is the most authentic source and you must regularly download it from the ICSI website. Source 2. ICSI material. The official ICSI study material is still important. Even if questions don't directly repeat, it gives you a base idea of the areas ICSI considers important, so revise it once. Source 3. Our CSEET Telegram group. And finally, the most practical source, our CSEET Telegram group. Here, we upload daily current affairs updates in a short and exam-focused way. You don't have to waste time searching across multiple newspapers or websites. Everything you need will be at your fingertips. So friends, don't panic about current affairs anymore. Stick to these 3 sources, the e-bulletin, ICSI material, and our Telegram group. Trust me, if you follow them regularly, the 25 marks in current affairs will be in your hands. Remember, current affairs is not about cramming. It's about building the habit of staying updated. And as a future company secretary, this habit will always make you stand out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share with your CS friends, and join our Telegram group for daily current affairs updates. I'll see you in the next video.